how to check what processor you have on your PC or laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you check what processor you have on your PC or laptop. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to do right click at of your windows just at the bottom of your taskbar. So simply it will appear at the bottom of your screen. So simply right click on Windows icon. Alright, so from your click on run. Okay, so from the run command, you'll have to type for ms info 32, and after you type it, you'll have to click on OK. Alright, so from this system information section, you'll have to go the option system summary, and from this section, you'll have to go the options like processor. So from this section processor, you can easily find out your CPU or your processor models from here. So you can as usual see it from here, like my processor is AMD Ryzen 5 with the 5500U with Radeon graphics. So you can also find out the processor model on your PC and laptop. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.